Hey yo, we are
T-Spork.
and I'm Toxin.
My name is T-Spork. I'm a revolutionary thinker. I'm a philosopher, and we try to distract the human mind, becoming one with nature.
Okay, we are guerrilla forces in the forest. We try
course.
to conduct the people's war in China and death to Bigfoot. Long live the people's war. We as the communist revolutionary forces in the forest, we say death to Bigfoot, long live the people's war.
Hi guys. So what we're doing right now is we're making a plan of the forest. We're making a mind map, the blueprint of the things that we're trying to do here. This is the first day of us in the forest. We have built.
We need to establish a plan to. We need to make a map of this forest so we can have opportunity to beat the police forces, because we are trying to win the people's war.
Now we're going to stripe around the forest. We're going to make a big walk around the forest. This is our cameraman Bruno. He is a good guy. As you can see, there are ways on the floor. There are ways that we have striped out because this is where we are going. I'm going to go into the woods. Okay. Please don't follow me. I need my time.
That's the living leaf. You can take it off, and then you see if you change it. It's here. It's a brown piece. it's kind of healing process. Then you can take it and. T-Spork! Oh no, he's lost. We have lost him.
Look what I have found. This is not naturally made. This doesn't happen in nature. I think that he was here, nearby our camp. Maybe I'm a misconception.
I think that's the elites, the US government. They control the woods, and they substitute plants with zombies, so they can kill us. Yeah. No, let's get back.
What are we talking about here?
Let's get back to the camp.
What kind of zombies are we talking about here?
It's like they try to sting you.
Do you see this path?
Huh?
What is there? Do you see this path? I don't think it was here before I was gone.
I think it is naturally made it. Elites have created this.
The elites were here. I'm going now. I need to to go now.
Bruno, you follow me? As next we will start to get some plants to eat something. Follow me. There on the right side there was a big burning. It burned down all shelter.
I have found a mass grave.
It's genocide. They killed us all.
The Jews are buried here.
No.
I need a second opinion of everything. Bruno, follow us. Let's go. This is not something for the weak eyes. Stay behind, I said.
No.
Isn't this suspicious?
Yeah, I don't know.
Isn't this a grave of mass destruction?
Of course. Let's get back before the night is breaking in.
The clouds are forming. The moon is coming. We have to go.
Let's go.
Fast! Hurry! Hurry!
Let's go. As next we need to get some plants.
Glass and other things that indicates that there are more people in this forest. We have found out that we are humans in our shelter. This is freaking me out! Where are you?
Let's go, Bruno. We go some berry hunting, a berry gathering. Follow me. Damn. A walnut. In your civilization, they eat walnuts. Oh, there. You can see it's a. In German, you would say it's a Spur. Yeah, a walnut. But I don't think that we should continue here because it's not, and we need to go back before our homie goes sleeping. What's that? Hello, fella? No, he's dead. No. Who was that? None. He's lost. From now on, it's a solo fight. We have to continue the fight. We have to break the elites. I don't know how we can handle this. I can't handle it anymore. Muss ich filmen? It's starting to rain. Ah!